I know my connection is acting retarded.
Yeah, it's real slow and like you keep cutting in and out and I can barely hear you. Alright, so let me see.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay. Okay, and you can hear me okay when I talk? Okay.
Yeah, I can hear you
All right.
perfectly.
So, when you have a decimal like 0.125, yeah, and if you want to turn that into a fraction, what you do is you take this part here, the 125, put that over
Uh-huh.
a 1, and however many zeros there are, like the same amount of digits on top. Okay? So in this case, there's 3 digits on top, so you got 3 zeros on the bottom. Yep.
So it'll be
you have
1,000.
125 over 1,000, and then it's just a matter of reducing. So, I remember going through all the reducing and stuff like that, right? Okay. So for this one, let's say if we use 5, we divide both the top and the bottom by 5. Okay. We end up with 25 over 200. Okay. And then we can reduce that one again, right? So if we divide both of them by 25. End up with 1 over 8. Okay. So does that make sense? Okay. Okay, so in the case of like 0.1, you would take this part here and put it, say, 1 over 1, and however many digits there are, that's how many zeros. So there's 1 digit, so 1 0. So that one just equals 1/10, right? So it's just kind of a matter of how many digits there are on the top part. That's how many zeros there are on the bottom. And then it's just a matter of reducing. Okay. Except, okay, can I erase this?
Yeah.
So, except in cases where you have 0.3 repeating, in those cases, there was like 3 of them, I think, that are repeating decimals that they gave you just to memorize. So, 0.26 repeating, and let's see, there should have been another one. Yep. And so with these 3, they just gave them to you to memorize, because it's a different way that you got to find out how to do them. But it's just to memorize that, like 0.3 repeating equals 1/3. Are these the right ones? Yeah. 0.16 repeating is 1/6. And then 0.6 repeating is 2/3. So those just matter of memorizing them. There's not really an easy way to figure those out. But they just kind of gave them to you and said, remember these, and they'll come up on the quiz, which they do. So does that make sense?
Okay.
Do you think you want to try one more time?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and try one more time. If
Yeah.
you don't get it, let me know, and we can, we can go through everything again if we need to. So, okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. You're welcome.
Okay.
Talk to you soon.
Mm-hmm.